So hey guys, my name is Madan Parthasarathi, and I'm a UI UX designer that just graduated out from college, and I've been thinking about building my own startup and a lot of cool stuff. And with AI, I want to like bring all of this stuff together. So this is something that I've been working on, which is basically this easy small tool, which is being able to control your Figma presentations just by your mouse. Because right now, my mouse right here, it has these two buttons. I don't know if you can tell, but it has these two side buttons that you can kind of switch slides with. And since I like presenting standing up, I like to have that clicker kind of thing, right? So I'm gonna build it out and just take you guys through the process, just see how it works, because I want to actually build something with AI. So the thing is, I made like an initial thing, which is this kind of landing page here. I want to get like a wait list of people, see how many people are interested first, and then kind of start building on top of that. So that's the first thing, right? We have easily control your Figma presentations with a mouse. Don't focus on clicking, focus on presenting. And we have this cute like mouse thing kind of switching through stuff. Plus we have like these get started page, which is, okay, let's turn this mouse stuff here and just like a simple brief summary of what's the point and yeah, download and everything, right? Now, I took this to one of my seniors who's really good at design, and they kind of suggested a lot of changes. Surprisingly, a lot of those changes are um, copy changes, right? We have, hey, heading text could be much more clearer. And my goal of the project is just kind of simplify it, go through all the stages. And today I'm just going to go and simplify all of the value props, because the main thing that my friend has told me is that the value proposition isn't really clear, and it isn't that clear to me as well. So I'm going to kind of sit down and brainstorm some ideas about it. So yeah, this is the initial stuff that we had, and then now it goes into where to go. Yeah, this right here. And so let's see how it goes. Let me like pull up some. Yes, let me pull up my. Where to go? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, let's just think about improvements here. Right? One by one, let's just go through everything. Yeah, so the first thing that I wanted to do is just change the rounded panels and kind of see everything. So I went ahead and did that, but let's go and just change all of this here, right? Which is, this could be unrounded, and I think this is something else. Let's see if this right here is the component. Yeah, I think. There we go. Set this. Yeah, select this. Select these two frames, and I think you can press Q to get all of the other things that also align with it. Corner radius 0, and hopefully, yep, it's changed, and hopefully it should kind of yeah, there we go. This is way better. So yeah, that's just the starting of it. And yeah, these buttons are still blue, right? So let's just go one by one, which is the first one is heading text to be much more clearer. Maybe present your slides with a tap of your mouse. Tap. Okay, so it's basically saying how can we convert this subline and there we go. Why is this still there? Yeah, there we go. So heading text can be much more cleaner. Maybe present with your Figma style with a tap of your mouse. So first things first. PC's lagging. So easily control your Figma presentations. Right, that's what I have right now. Your Figma presentations, and the subtext is with a mouse. So we want to clarify it together, right? So easy control your Figma presentations with the mouse. Combine both. So yeah, present your Figma slides with the tap of your mice is what he suggested. Right. So I think the mice being involved in this isn't as clear in the first kind of preview here. So I think that's main. Let's ask ChatGPT. I think that'll be very cool. Chat. I'll just copy paste whatever we have here. Act as a copywriter. So oftentimes you can make ChatGPT give you better results if you put as like act as a copywriter or act as like whoever you want to be. So let's just put act as a senior copywriter. Can you help me rewrite my main heading for this and for the entire website? This is the copy that I have written. So what's copy? This is the copy my senior designer suggested. A good thing you can do is always give more context. I want to highlight both aspects of the controlling the slides and with a mouse equally. How can I do that in a way that is clear and concise? Give me an answer that is casual in tone. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Give me multiple ideas. Okay, present. Oh, present like a pro. And oh, that's good. Yeah, I think here is what he claims. Your major value prop can't be secondary and low priority, right? So over here, present Figma's like a pro is number one, and your mouse does it all. Okay. Present your, I think a combination of this would be very cool. Present. The mouse rules from mouse to screen. Navigate your Figma. Click Control Present Figma slides. Figma slides at your fingertips, powered by my mouse. And then here he suggested that seems like another valid precision altogether. Don't focus on clicking, focus on presenting. True. I think nobody really focuses on clicking anyways. I think it's just a dumb value prop. We can kind of take this and just have one value prop as the main and just have this as join waitlist. So remove this completely, I think. So let's, before we do anything here, let's take this and yeah, oh, after, yeah. So if I go here, yeah, that should do. Okay, let's see, Q, yeah, should. Figma controls, effort registrations. I think I can have a call to action here, which is instead of putting easily cut Figmas, something that actually says join the waitlist. That makes sense. So let's go step by step. Let's figure out the thing here, which is a variation of this, right? Present Figma like a pro, your mouse does it all. Your mouse does it all sounds very business professionally. Let's say present Figma like a pro. With the mouse. Present Figma like a pro. with only a mouse. Yeah, I mean, makes sense. Convert mouse into a remote for pro Figma presentations. Here I like this because it's very straightforward. Converting your mouse into a remote is like the main value prop. And then why do I care? For Figma presentations, right? So I think another one for this is for pro Figma presentation, convert mouse to a remote. What is that? Okay, this is tough. Convert your mouse into a Figma remote. Figma presentation remote. Oh, this is a good combination of it. Convert your mouse into a Figma presentation remote. I think here it's just clean. It's just very quick. Okay, but here there's not much value add. Like convert your mouse into a Figma presentation remote. Convert your mouse. Let's ask. I like this phrasing. Let's ask ChatGPT. Can you give me a better way of saying this to have a clear value add to the viewer? And can you explain your reasoning and also give me multiple variants? Ooh, oh, I like this. Turn your mouse into the ultimate Figma presentation tool. That's nice. So it implements transformation. Yes, I think I really like this. Transform your mouse into a Figma slide. Uh, make your mouse perfect. Oh, this is I like perfect Figma presentation, perfect remote. Seamlessly present Figma like a pro. Yeah, that's what I was doing before. Your mouse now smarter. Turn your everyday mouse into a powerful Figma remote. Ooh. I mean, it's not that powerful. Your mouse now smarter. Control, upgrade your mouse into upgrade. I like upgrade. I like using the word upgrade. So upgrade and upgrade your mouse into into the perfect Figma slide control. Upgrade your mouse into the perfect Figma presentation remote. Okay, let's turn your mouse and smarter, present Figma perfect remote, turn your transform, upgrade, transform your mouse into Figma slide controller. Upgrade your mouse into the perfect Figma presentation remote. The perfect Figma presentation remote. Upgrade your mouse into perfect presentation remote. Upgrade your mouse into a perfect into a Figma presentation remote. I don't know, I think I'm kind of insecure putting perfect into a Figma presentation remote. I think this is nice. Let's see how it looks. Upgrade your mouse into the into presentation remote. Okay. I don't think we need this anymore, right? Yeah, I think I wanted to fit into this line. So I don't know, into okay, let's see. I like upgrade, yeah. Well, yeah, I think here it makes more sense. Upgrade your mouse into a Figma presentation mount. Right? Now we need to be able to type something on top of that. So as a copywriter, I finished my main headline. Can you suggest what I should write above my join wait list input field? Can I find other things that are in waitlist? Notion mail is, yeah, Notion mail is on waitlist, right? Let's look at this. So this is the value add main ad. Personalized to your work and beautifully designed. Notion mail is the only inbox that makes life simpler. Okay, this is basically explains this in a little bit more context. Let's do that. When you're waiting on a copy should create urgency and excitement where clearly state the benefit. Okay, how would I create excitement and benefits for a remote? Is the way of showing how easy presentations will become with this tool a proper way to do that? Can you go? Can you explain your reason? Urgent and yeah, be the first to simplify, don't miss out. Ready transform. Okay, urgent. It's not really urgent. We're almost ready. Join now and say good. Oh, I like this. Join now and say goodbye to presentation stress. I like that. Join now and say goodbye to presentation stress. Join now and say goodbye to presentation stress. This kind of adds to the value of why you want to upgrade your mouse into Figma presentation or what. So I think that would be nice, but okay, let's see. If we're focusing on easy and seamless address pinpoints, making people struggle with clunky controls, lack of focus, points efficiency, simplicity, appeals to aspirations, easy smooth presentations help users feel confident and in control. Showing before manual after seamless professional. Okay, effortless slides, flawless focus. Whoa, damn, that's make every click count transfer. Transferring my presentations into place. I like this. Basically saying, hey, you don't need that much stress now. No stress, no hassle. No stress, no hassle. Premier game changer, functional, aspirational. Makes sense. Wait, what's this? Wait, did I completely remove this? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. It's back. It's back. Yeah. Cue this. It's back. Yeah. Let's focus on clicking. Focus on presenting. So I think what we want to do is we want to highlight the fact that the mouse solves problems, right? I think one thing that I really wanted the mouse problem to solve is I can easily stand up and solve, like stand up and present in front of like a whole screen. But yeah, I don't know how. Hmm. Can you provide more points on with related to the advantages of converting a mouse into a remote? So now I'm just confused about why anyone would want their mouse to be a remote. I mean, At this point, everyone is just, I'm just confused. Portability, mouse compact, cost effective. Ooh, don't need to expensive, don't worry. Fewer devices. So I like this, which is no need for expensive presentation tools when your mouse can double as a remote. But something that my friend kind of mentioned is, so I've written here it's not worth buying just for these mouse. And he said framing this problem seems niche because I don't have this remote anyways. Wait, sorry. Yeah, I don't even have this remote. So how am I saving me any money, right? I think that makes sense. Ease of use and most practical advantages. Most people already own a mouse, making a solution buy it, but like, why do that? Most user friendly, not just software adapters required, plug and play, effortless pro focus. Move around freely. I think this move around freely while continuing within mouse range. I think this is the highlight. Position and control, easily navigate between slides, even control finer details, confidence boost. I think this is the main reason. Move around freely while controlling your slides from anywhere within your mouse. This and the easy counterpoint for this would be I'm sitting while presenting most of the time. Why would I even care? Um, but I do realize that some people present while standing up. It's what I did in Julie's. So I think this helps it more. Like, because the other things are just vague. Like, I'm not gonna like you said right here, right? I don't even have a remote, so why am I even presenting? Is a good point, right? Hmm. Now, now one thing that I kind of want to branch into is one main reason why it's beneficial is yes, I can move around and stand and present, but I can't present slides if they're not prototyped properly. Wait, am I sure? So let's say, yeah, let's say I want to present this. What happens if I present this? This is just some random. Yeah, there is no arrows here, right? So I think a really good value add is I can present on the canvas without having to like. So so at the core, what this device even does is it emulates the key press of N and Shift N. So N is just shifting you from slide 1 to slide 2. Let me show you a quick demonstration. Yeah, let's say I have this wacky weird object here. I don't know what that is, but all right, let's say there's frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, right? And, just writing it down. Yeah, E. Am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 2. What? Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So what N does is it does basically lets you do 1, 2, 3 while on the canvas, right? And I think that's a very good value add because I can just arrange everything and I can figure it out, right? Like I can put them in a like I can just put them in a order. Let's 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens if it does 1, 2. Mm, what is this going for? Oh, this is higher. 1, 2. Yeah, so it needs to be in order. So if these are all just in order, I can just go 1, 2, 3 back, right? So I think the main value add would be is I can present slides if they're not protottyped properly in the canvas, right? On the canvas. And is that valuable enough? Mm, okay. Now the counter for this would be I can just drag through the canvas. And that makes sense because if this was the main value add, then the simple kind of solution would just be like, hey, let me just drag through my files. Like, why am I even taking the whole effort of going and making all of this into a remote, right? So I think this isn't the thing, but I can present if they're not protected. And yeah, I think yes, I can move around and stand and present is a way more direct value prop because there is no other solution. Like if I like the only counter for this is I have to let's say if I had to counter it, I would have to make one dude sit at my laptop, which is what people do, and the other one is to just go back to the laptop every time you need to change slides. That's it. So yeah, I think we need to highlight this more. This is a little bit a better value add, and that makes a lot more sense because you could do this. I mean, it is way more valuable to do this, but the counter to that is here I can just drag. Like this is the main functionality of Figma, and like that doesn't make sense to add on extra steps. So yeah, I think let's get back into this with what I was gonna do, which is transform your presentations and ChatGPT here, right? One of the advantages is it's easy to carry, fewer devices, better, like I can just move around. There's something using a simple tool, no need for expensive, easily, yeah, effortless, make every point no stress, no control, highlight transformation, or what was it? Portability, no need for expensive, no, using simple tools, plug and play, move around, yeah, I think this one. Move around freely, what I think this is what mm, back Q T. Okay, has to be a better way to do that, but okay. Let's go Q. Let's see if we can. I think the sentence is a little bit too long. Let's see if I can copy. Can you reduce? Well, can you reduce this sentence to be shorter and more concise? control your slides freely within your mouse's range. Um, Move around freely while controlling your slides in your. Can you make sure you highlight the importance of moving freely? Additionally, give me more options because that's what it does. It personalized your workflow. Yeah, it does that. So it's you know, freely control slides. Yeah, I like this more freely. I think the mouse range point doesn't need to be such a big thing. Because if we're saying, hey, if you easily control, wait, no, upgrade your mouse in a Figma presentation, what it enables is you can move freely and control slides with just a mouse. I don't think we need to have this limitation because if you think about it, the mouse will work in a big enough presentation room, and obviously you're not going to be in another presentation room while you're presenting. So yeah, I think this one, move around freely while having control of your slides. Okay. Move freely while having control of your slides. Present anywhere. Move freely while having easy control of your slides. Move freely. Slides. Okay, so with that being said, I don't know if upgrade your mouse into a Figma presentation mode. So we've already talked about Figma presentation and slides here. So it isn't necessary to have the same thing. Move freely while having full control. Presentation. This doesn't solve the redundancy thing. Move freely. Let me look at say mobile control slides, control, slides, full slide control. Move freely while having full slide presentation control. Yeah, I think this one's better. Let's go back. Wait, what? Why is this? Yeah, I think that's better. There we go. Move freely while having full presentation control and join waitlist. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Good enough for now. Okay, now let's go to the next step, which is I think this could be a little bit bigger, no? Okay, so yeah, that's the spacing. Full presentation control. Now it's full presentation control. Yeah, right, I think this is fine. The spacing looks, let me check the spacing. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Okay, what next? Yeah, what next? Let's go. Yeah, show me the Mac app icon, make it more non-web friendly. And I like this. Maybe use this in the hero section. You know what? I think I could make this whole design a little bit better. When if I, you know, brought in some arrows, maybe just can I? Yeah, just maybe if I could show this here. Yeah. Oh, these are big. Now, something cute like this would have the same. Yeah, there we go. I think that would be cool because it incorporates the same thing. Because I like how I've done this. See if I can do something. Do. Yeah, so here, right, if you can see it, I've made it look very cool and kind of be very descriptive. And yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, this kind of makes sense. Wait, let me just see if I can make like a nice window or something. Yeah, something like that. Where it goes. I don't know, too much green. Let's make it a little bit. Let's make it black. Why? Let's make it simple as this, and obviously a little bit less. Mm, can I put a shadow on this so that it looks like it's a floating? Oh, I love this. What's it? Shadow plugins. Shadow. I think it's called Beautiful Shadows. Yes, there we go. Let's see. So you can just do this. Wait, what? I think you should have fill. Oh yeah. No, chill out. Yeah, I think something like this would be pretty cool. Or we should have the option for the Windows pane. Let's see if we can find that. Windows application UIX. Something that looks very similar. Mm, That's. Or you know what could give like a very good context? Having the scroll bar thingy on the edge, makes it like feel like a real app. A little bit. Let me try that. Let me see if I can find Windows scroll bar in the community page. Windows scroll bar. Windows scroll bar, Windows, Mac OS. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So basically, I want this thing to look like it's in a program, and even though I haven't designed the program yet, I think the cleanest way to do that is to have native stuff looking like that. Page 24. And then scroll bar macOS, scroll bar Windows. Uh, hmm. I might have to just do Windows because I'm a Windows user and I'm going to be launching this first to Windows. So it makes sense to, do it for Windows. So let's get that. Let's get that. Open in Figma. Mm, talking. Okay. Let's get this elements overview. Ah, this looks so bad, but okay. Go. Okay. I think it should be like way longer. No? On detach the component. Does that convey on the program right for presenting? Does it convey properly? I don't know. I think the stroke could be a little bit better. We could round it, but then it won't go with the. Yeah, I think this is a better improvement to something that's just plain like this. Show me the Mac iPad, make it less. I like this. Yep, let's do that. Okay, next, more copy. Why all caps? I don't know. I just think it's an aesthetic preference, to be honest. That's framing this problem seems quite niche. We present it like this. Yeah, now that we have a good uh, value prop, I think we can rewrite this and kind of talk about this in a better way. Well, what's the point? I think that's what we have to get into. What's the point? Right? I can move around and still present. This is like the overarching uh, part of it, right? I like presenting while standing up. Juries while design. Standing up. I'll do this by having my 304's mouse thumb buttons equals slide controls. I like rewriting the entire thing because it gives me context and I can I don't know. I just think I like the aesthetic a little bit better. I think it's an aesthetic redundant as I don't have this remote. How are you saving me money? Do I do this by having? So I think we can solve this by saying that I don't need another person because that's what I do. Like slide controls, imagine saving you the hassle of going back and forth to your computer, or even worse, making bribing your friend to sit at the laptop for 40 minutes in exchange for samosa. I think that's nice. Yeah, and the side buttons and slide controls. So I think Logitech remote being like 99 bucks, and the Logitech remote is like $99. It could be like a last ending thing. It could be like an ending thing. And I just say, now you can just buy me a samosa. Right? Okay. I think we can bring this a little bit higher. I don't like the hassle of going to and fro. Yeah, I think with that one. I'm going to bring my friends. Instead, I have now my friends don't. Any mouse. I figure there's an easier way to convert any mouse into a remote. And that's what I'm building. So think like you said, this Logitech remote is redundant because nobody's buying it for 99 bucks. But I like saying that the problems are yeah, I like this. Freedom to converting mouse. That's wrong. That's what I'm building. Logitech mouse remote. Yeah, don't know if I have to wanna highlight this because it's not even in the picture. Like, yeah, whatever. I like presenting in design juries, standing up, really don't like hassle, going to for. Let's see if we can simplify this. And what are we trying to say? During design juries, I like presenting while standing. While standing. Hate the hassle of going to and fro, going back to time. A slide needs changing and bribing. There we go. Convincing. So I instead have my Logitech G304 mouse thumb buttons equals slide controls. Figured there's an easier way to convert any mouse into a remote. Into a remote. And yeah, now you can just run some more side instead. So I like this because what I'm doing is I'm setting context, and here I'm saying two reasons why it won't work. I'm saying what works with me now, right now, and why I'm doing that to solve it, right? I figured this, I can build something to build something to convert any mouse into a remote. Yeah, I think this is cool. Like presenting while standing. And bringing my friends instead, I have my lunch distance. Move these two things for now. So let me just move this block a lot of convincing. Yeah, we can reduce this. Can you can you make this sentence more concise? Wait, no, wait, that's not even the right thing. Sit. There we go. Think, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I think then. Yeah, I think this is done. I think this is done now, which is, let me see. Yeah, there we go. So upgrade your mouse. The new one is upgrade your mouse into mouse. Gee, upgrade your mouse into Figma presentation remote. Move freely while having full presentation control. I think we can make this a little bit smaller. No? We can definitely make it smaller. I think 45. Wait, what am I using? Why am I using different? What am I using here? 32? I'll just use 32 here. So dumb. Just have to use 32 everywhere. There we go. Let's go back. Yeah, move freely while having full presentation control. Definitely, I think that we should make the thing tighter. There we go. What is this? I don't know what that is, but okay. Yeah, I do think that this should be a little bit tighter, but okay, I guess. See if I can just bring it. But 32 is that. So I can reduce this. There we go. Oh, yeah, I think way better. I just want to finish this. I do think that this is a little bit tight. You, know. Then let me just move this. Yeah, there we go. This should look better. Okay, upgrade your mouse, presentation control, get started, double click, what's the point, during design changes, I like presenting. Should have just have this, but I really hate, I think they should go full if this is there. Yeah, I definitely think it should go full. But there's that widow word. I like presenting while standing up and moving out. Really? There you go. No widow word now. Yeah, branding and films, during design tree, thumb buttons equal slide controls, figure I can put something covered any mouse in the remote. Now you just buy me a simple instead. Great. That's it. I think we will cover about how to make everything in this into Figma, into Framer. And that should be fun because Framer is very simple. It should be very nice to kind of get it out there. So yeah, thanks for sticking around. Bye bye.